Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here and if you have seen me before, then welcome back to my channel. It is lovely to see you again. So before I start my video, I would like to show you the results of my previous paintings. These paintings are available to purchase, and if you want to buy them, you can email me on my email address. It is written in the description below. So let's get started. So in today's video I'm going to do a Dutch pour, and for this Dutch pour I have already prepared my canvas. I have taped the lower side of the canvas to prevent it from the spilled paint, and I have also sprayed the bottom side of the canvas to make it tougher. That is really helpful with a Dutch pour or a fluid art, any kind of fluid art. So let's start. And before pouring the base, I am making sure that my canvas is leveled. For this I'm using this spirit leveler to make sure that it is perfectly leveled, otherwise the paint can be drawn towards one side. So to prevent it, it is very crucial step. So the idea is that I am doing a split base painting today. In split base I am going to use two colors. One is going to be white and other is going to be a very bright pink. It is actually quinacridone rose light color. The first color I'm going to use here is this dark burgundy red color. Then is carmine red. The next color I'm going to pour is wine red color. Next color is vermilion red color. And on the top I'm going to layer metallic orange color. Let's blow it out. This looks strange. It seems like I have to do a lot of corrections. I like this area, but a lot of correction needed to be done on every other part. So let's try this. as you can see, it took me a lot to make all those corrections, but I'm almost happy with it now. It still needs some correction, but I will let it be and let it dry, and I will need some correction after it's fully dried, and we'll see that how it looks after that. This is the dry look. I am really happy how it turned out. I have made some corrections after the painting was dry. I really like the coloring and flowy effect of the petals. These look like blooming flowers. What do you guys think? If you also like the video, please let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you want to get some more painting ideas and inspiration. See you next week with another exciting adventure. Till then, bye bye.